Yo. I'm guessing we're live. Alright. Up and Bill. Let's build this thing. I'm gonna delete this real quick. Where's the description of this project? Where do I find the description? Wait, can I just... Because it says... wait, where is it? Just GitHub template recommended. I wanna... I have to delete this one then, but I need to get the description of this project. Where the fuck do I get that, bro? No, Oh my god, I'm done. Just delete it. Ugh. Delete. Yes, thank you. Create playground. Quartz blog web app. Private. Include all branches. Wait, am I even streaming? Let me see. Let me check real quick. I'm gonna get some background music going. Okay, these are probably copyrighted. Am I streaming? I am. I have no views. No, it's okay. We don't need a background music. Alright. Cool. Wow, this sets up everything? Holy fuck. What even is this though? Do I just literally just type, like, where's the coding part in this? There's no coding part, it's just markdown files? What the fuck? That's so OP. That's seriously OP. Close this. Documents, close this. Alright, let me show you what I'm looking at right here. Oh my god. Alright, close that. Yeah, this is what I'm looking at. I have no idea what this is, dude. Oh, shit. I needed that to do. Anyways. We're gonna close some of the unrelated. This won't work anymore. Okay. We have a clear everything. These are the websites I'm using for inspiration that I assume used quartz. I don't know if this one used quartz. This one definitely used quartz. This guy built it. Very impressive. Yeah, I mean, wait, this guy's a fire ship video?
America.
Oh my god, that was so loud. High school student makes React 1,000,000 times faster. This is the person? What the fuck? Wow. What did he even do? Oh my god. What the fuck? High schooler. Need to do my own thing. No need to try and replicate. Getting started. Okay. If you already ran the quick start, you can skip ahead whichever step you're on. Let me just put this, I'm gonna put the guide on my other screen because it's kind of distracting. I just want to code right now. What do I need to do? Installation, upgrading to quartz, setup, installation. So I have this page up right now. Oh, this is kind of messy. What is this for? Oh. Cool. Oh. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, if it's built in, why would I ever not use that? That's so nice. There are two ways to get started. Use the GitHub template, which I did. I cloned it. Clone directly. CD quartz. Okay. We've already done that. Npm install. Install dependencies. Okay. To do that. What? Cannot read properties of null. Oh, do I have to do CD quartz? I see. I thought I installed node. Come on, bro. There you go. Wait. I already did that, right? So what did this create? Can I just, can I do this now? No package.json. Bro, I don't understand. Bro, what the hell? This worked. Ah, I still had to do that. Very interesting. This is the coolest shit I've ever done. What the heck? I'm just using someone else's tools. This is really cool. Bro. Quartz. How many people use quartz? I wonder. Cool. It's the latest. Preview our website here. 널 사랑해. Cool. Now we build the app and see that it runs. Yes, sir. Cool. What the heck? This is so cool, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, I'ma join, man. uh, I don't see other people's devs. That's not using quartz, is it? Huh? Oh, dude. So nice. Well, most basic version of what I'm thinking of is, I guess, I already have some kind of idea. So have like a frame here. I don't know how large the content would be, but we can just use the basic colors. Like, I just want my name. I don't want to have this. I don't want this format for the home page. I don't like this. I don't know what the fuck is happening over there. This is already configured. What the fuck? Command K is already search. There's already a dark mode. There's already this. What I want to do is first, colors all fine. This line is fine. I want to just put myself here. Like, the homepage shouldn't have this, right? It should just give an overview of what you are. That's what I should design, because it's not really about setting up the markdown anymore. It's already done with Quartz. Quartz literally has everything. Oh, dude, I just need to learn how to format it in the best way possible. That's so sick, bro. Used option A or so theoretically I could just edit the application offline or without my laptop. I think it wouldn't make much sense to do that, but I mean, here's the thing. I don't know how the mobile version looks here. Okay, I mean, guess it looks fine. I forgot how to view the mobile version. Okay, we can work on that later. We don't need that for the first version. First version, I'll just write it somewhere here. What? Why is it V5, bro? What the fuck? What? Quartz is its own. Wait, what is going on? Why do I have a main branch? What's it? I thought I deleted this. What the fuck? They should not exist. Okay, we're gonna delete that branch. What? List? Dude, I'm so confused. What is happening? There's no list. Oh, fuck this shit. Okay. Alright, let's read documentation now. What? Oh my god. Dude, this is the greatest thing ever. I don't need to. Whatever I needed to do, I don't need to do anymore. I just have it. I just need to make it look nice. Where's the getting started? Okay, here it is. we did that. Authoring content. Right, and organizing markdown into the content folder. Right, so I could create a blog folder or a file, push to GitHub, push your site with npx quartz sync, deploy, host your site free on GitHub Pages, Cloudflare, now deploy WordPress. Yes, let's do this. Let's set up everything first. Do I just... Okay, I don't know if I can just do that and work. I don't know if that's gonna work. Where was I? Host your site free on GitHub Pages or for sell. Excuse me. How the is this gonna work properly? I have no idea. I don't know. Come on. Why is it downloading a page, bro? What the fuck? How do I deploy on Vercel? Oh, this is the template. And that's just downloading. I supposed to start, bro? Online content. What? How do you... What? I'm so confused. Oh my god, please. New note. Stop it. Dude, how do I open the goddamn thing then? Create a new canvas. Oh my god, dude, Obsidian's so OP, bro. This thing is powerful, man. This thing is really nice. Man, how do I open a new fucking folder, bro? Open vault, maybe? Okay, maybe, yeah, this looks like a... Maybe content. Is that the... The content for the homepage of your Quartz Live-In Context MD. So we're going to use Obsidian as a way to edit and maintain Quartz. It comes with a nice editor and a graphical interface to preview, edit, and link your local files and attachments. Yes, but which one do I open? Do I open the playground? Yikes. If I do that, then we have no... Well, let's try that. Let's just try open playground. I don't think this is gonna work. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna delete the readme first. Where's Vim, bro? Does every single... The hell is this? Just delete this shit. Whatever. Alright, I think this is enough. I want to get it deployed. I just don't know why it's not working. Oh no, yeah, this shit, dude. I just tried deploying this repository playground with Vercel by choosing this GitHub repo. However, it doesn't seem like it worked as it downloads a file with the content. What did it download? I'll show you. It's downloaded this. Thank you. This is a quartz repository, and you should know that. I have a lot that I want na na na. Did you just make something? Cool. I didn't need to do shit. What was the issue? Sounds down type because we're still serving a repo root as static files instead of serving the generated quartz site. That text is from index.ts, not from your build website. Alright. I mean, I vaguely understand what that says, but, okay, also, it told me to use a different command to commit shit. Yeah, right here. Build locally with this. Can close that. Create a repository. Alright. Nepsuda. 가끔씩 차오르는 눈물이 알고 있죠. 그 사람 그대라는 거 알겠죠. 내 눈에만 보여요 내 입술에. 가끔씩 차오르는 눈물이 알고 있죠. Okay, bro, come on. I already logged in. I'm trying to access my Discord. It's being a fucking pain in the ass right now. Nicole? Oh god. Oh my god. I need to delete some of my conversations. Oh my goodness. Holy fuck. Oh, this is so weird. Holy fuck, dude. Oh my god. Oh, this is crazy. I remember all of this. Oh my god. Yo, it's been so long since I've used Discord. Oh my fuck. 내 눈에만 보여요 내 입술은. 가끔씩 차오르는 눈물이. Yikes. 알고 있죠. Cool. We've already done this. We've done this. Get remote. This right here. I don't know what this is doing. npx quartz sync. Interesting command. What? Do I have to be in this? Bro, what? That just push to get? Bro, I don't know what's going on. Does that just push to get? What else does it do though? Yeah, it did. And now it's deploying again on Vercel. Interesting. What does that do? If you have just a new repository, haven't pushed anything yet, You might want to skip the whoa. I don't know why my name's like that. Well, when this finishes deploying, then I guess we can work on this. But I spent too much time working on the goddamn front end. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna quickly switch to building APIs really quickly, because I wanted to build or just get practice with the ASP.NET applications too. Building web apps is hard because, like, I don't know what to. The start is always the hard part. You don't have a clear idea of what you're building, then you're just gonna fail. I guess this time I do have a clear idea of what I wanna fucking fuck. Yup. It's not gonna work. Stop fucking downloading. Alright, what's the log saying? Huh? Why did it fail? I really do like AI in this way, so I can debug any error I need, and it's probably gonna do a really good job. It's always probably a good job. I like this though. I like what we have. Meanwhile, I'm gonna set up. I think I'm gonna open the backend API that we were working on. Don't know what it was. I think it was C#. Yeah, it's definitely one of these test projects or something. Was it my web app? What I think I can do is I did build the. Oh, this is not gonna work. There's a project I built a little while ago that I didn't finish. It's called Iron Bolt. It's written in Fast API. It is a reservation system, and there's this one particular API endpoint that I spent a long time on. Probably like a week just for that one API. Don't remember what it was. I think it's one of these. Yeah, this one. So it's not that bad. Also, this is, I don't really like try except here. But anyways, what it's supposed to do is it damn, I wrote this. It's a reservation system. So when someone wants to buy something, we have this endpoint. We check the user. We check request hash. I believe this comes from the UI. I don't know, we probably don't need this. We're being too safe here. Reservation. You get the item potency key, so you put that in there. Why is this camel case, bro? Oh, it just creates a reservation record. I don't like that either. Why do I have two separate try catches now? Single. I don't know if that's a good pattern. Well, anyways, we sort the items because apparently this reduces deadlocks, if I remember correctly. Because if the item's not sorted and you... What is this loop doing? Okay, wait, hold on. Let me follow the logic a little bit closer. User ID, you get the request hash, you create the reservation. I believe this will return like some kind of failure success mode. Then you try catch block here. Reservation crud dot create. Okay, so you try to create a row in the DB. And you do all that. Dude, I forgot why we do all these, but I believe we do the request hash because of payload conflict. It's like if you have the same request but the payload's different, then you can do that. Like that shouldn't ever happen, but it could. That's why we have this. And I tried making this as robust as possible to try and like account for race, account for like maybe if a worker is executing this and there are multiple workers trying to execute it, then we gotta account for item potency, you know, race condition, or like things like that. I really like studying those concepts, so I did that. And then we sort the items for deadlock, I believe. We don't really need to sort it, but we do, just in case that if we don't sort it, there are cases where two workers might interact, try to access the same row at the same time. I'm not sure exactly why. I don't remember. I think it is race. It has to do with race. But yeah, this is probably not needed. If a worker's not gonna fucking run this, it's probably not needed. And why would a worker even run this reserve function, right? Am I wrong? Maybe it will, because like if you ever want to distribute the load, you would have it run from a worker. But surely at that point you implement the concurrency from that point, right? I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, you go through the sorted items and you have a bunch of edge cases here, and then you update the item. Yeah, this is the update. And you create the item. This was like such a good API endpoint to build. Like, it was so nice to build this. I want to do something like that, where I'm building like a robust API with like a bunch of edge cases. And now that I know the concept of workers, well, I don't have Kubernetes. I guess I have to set that up. But if I were to have it, then I can test concurrency. I can test spinning up different pods. different workers executing at a schedule. That's possible now. But I don't know where to start. That's the issue. Should I just build this same thing? Maybe I should build the same thing, because I have a good reference. I have a good reference point here. I would probably just copy a project template from someone somewhere. I think I'm gonna copy it from okay. Alright. I'm going to... Wait, hold on. Let's see if this finished. Change something. Cool. I'm gonna work on my... Here's what I'm gonna do. In order to study backend systems and front-end systems, I need a project that I can reliably always work on. It can be anything. It really can be anything. Let me chat with chat here for any projects. So portfolio is good for front end, but it's not good for practicing React Redux plus C# ASP. Data-driven dashboards. Multi-tenant inventory. You know what? I like this. Multi-tenant internal company dashboard. something that I could scheduling, maintenance software, schedules, assignments, work orders. 15 work orders. Pretty much every fucking software. Scheduling platform. What did I ask about before? What? Bro. Wait. What is happening? Oh, it worked. Bro, still downloading a fucking file. Whatever. I'm done trying to fucking deploy. Oh my god. 뭐야? Oh my god, bro. Okay. I'm gonna make a new. How the fuck does that fix it? I don't know. Let's see what happened here. No. Alright. I think I'm gonna try to figure this out. No, this doesn't work. I'm gonna close the stream. Like, I do not want to spend fucking time debugging deployment issues, if anything. Like, out of everything, that's not my priority right now. I'm fine with fucking vibe coding for this, because I don't want to fucking deal with this shit. Ugh. It's some plugin shit. The error. I don't even know, actually. Unknown file, CSS. Style. Unknown file extension. Dude, like, what am I supposed to do? I don't think it's gonna work. I'm at the mercy of ChatGPT here, which is really not a good place to be. But what choice do I have? What the fuck? So what I need to build here is step by step. Okay, so the first thing we need to build the endpoints that we need are filter. We need one endpoint for I want to undo everything that we've been doing. Because that shit doesn't work. What is everything that I've added so far? I do not want to add those again. Six commits. What did I edit here? How could this change affect anything? What the fuck? Let me roll back to... I don't know what generated this file. Roll back to 4 commits. I'm gonna stash all of these changes. I don't know what this is. Oh. MPX quartz build. Yeah, I don't agree with this shit. Okay, just gonna stash. GPT. What? Just can't trust Vercel. I mean, Vercel.json. Root of the project directory. Alright. Okay, bro. We're doing this, okay? 뭐야? Come on. What's the input gonna be? I think I should find a good file to copy here. Maybe campaign execution. This uses doesn't it use a bunch of data services? Yeah. There we go. GPT wasting my fucking time, bruh. Alright, that's it. So now I just add shit like this, and then it'll update it. Yeah, cool. Bye bye guys. Bye guys.